In this quick video, we'll learn how to change our Instagram username in just a few simple steps. So if you need to change the username on your Instagram account because you're rebranding, you're tired of your current username, or some other reason, then let's change it. We will open the Instagram application on our device, and keep in mind that the process is absolutely the same on both iPhone and Android devices. So if you're using your Android device, you can follow my steps also. Now, we have to make sure that we are logged into the account on which we want to change our Instagram username, and we want to go to our Instagram profile page. So I want to change my username, which is MarshallJohnson028. All I have to do in order to change it is to tap on this Edit Profile option. And this profile editor will open where we will be able to change our profile picture, our Instagram name, and you can see the username option right here, and that's what we will click on. That's going to get us to this page where we can simply delete our current username and replace it with a new one. So I'm just going to change my username right here, and when I'm finished, I can tap on the Done option at the top right corner of the screen if I want to save my changes. It says here that in most cases, we will be able to revert back to our old username for another 14 days. So if you need your old username back and you change your mind, you can do that for a period of 14 days. After that period, there is a possibility that someone else takes that username that you had, so keep that in mind. And that is how you can change your Instagram username. If this video helped you out, make sure you leave a like on it, and I will see you soon.